Yeah, nation people, hear me out now. Right about now, Vybz Cartel IG, I say right about now. All of them new millennium artists, a theme flow them still a work off. It only have a different voice on it. Which way, we already know that already. We don't need the world boss to tell we that. From you know about music. So no gimmicks business not that about it. But it's easy to say, when you know the world boss have great influence on all of them youth I want to see in a dance hall. Because it is impossible if him don't. The man can run dance hall for 2 decades. And I know him have the impact on everybody in the world knows that Vybz Cartel are the most influential DJ you have. You see what I say? Yeah, no gimmicks business not dead about it. You know what I mean? No lollipop thing not dead about it. You see what I deal with? A real way I represent when I represent no gimmicks way. But here what I say, for the world it's not a plan. Watch what go on, carefully. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You know what, when I come for represent, full effecting man. You know what go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me no man, are the people's champion. Oh yeah, mean. Hey, yo, God's a favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying one on YouTube international business. Watch. Your nation people. Right now, me say, the general make men and people know say all of them minimum DJ I wanna hear come out and book. A theme flow them still a use. No gimmicks business not about it. The man song a different voice on it, which we everybody know. You see what I say? Yeah, no lollipop thing not about it. Same how me introduce one of my brethren up na the Boston to Javelani. And for year and from the man bust them until now the man ever tell me. You know listen to him good. You know see I wanna Vybz Cartel whole floor them I want use. You see what I say? And only for here, Javelani is a man who I tell them about the world boss and him and how him is a man deal with music business. You see what I say? So I have to big up to my general up in a Boston. You see what I say? Yeah, the man never lie to me. No gimmicks not there in it. No Joe shit not there in it. You see what I say? Right now, it look like the King of Kingston, I finish load up right now for Killa, You see me? The big bad album. Right now the whole of nation people can't wait to hear the Vybz Cartel and the Busy Signal and the Bounty Killer. You see what I say? No Joe shit no dead about it. Right now, a Snoop, come out, and I make men and people know, say right now, if you want to talk to Killer, you know what I mean, so send this message to the general. Send this message to the 5-star general, Bounty Killer. We have to go talk later today, or we have to go talk tomorrow. So it look like Snoop wrap up theme part of the collaboration already. Is what I say. You know what I mean? I want it for going on the magazine because everything I load up right about now. First, say what they always say, Killer and Popcorn in the studio. And we know another gimmicks thing. You know what I mean? We know a thing I get a boy long to gravy right about now. So it look like say right now, the double platinum artist, I go put out a bitch ever album, my brother. You see what I say? No wonder why, you see the guy we name Vegas, I itch round the man name, you know. Because it come like him know what go on and I hear what go on about the man album and know, you know. Say thing I go shake up properly round here, you know. That's what I say. And him a itch round the man name with the gimmicks business. I run out and I chat up him mouth and I talk about him a go tell Charlamagne the next time him go up on the breakfast club. Say killer, a rare boy. So let me ask him something. So where him say, cause I hear, cause yesterday I make him know, you know, who is Charlamagne, you know. And I see him come out for them IG page and I say nothing, you know. Well, if you are born pedophile, you know, you're not born Charlamagne, you know, that means you're a big hypocrite, you know, my brother. That's what I say, because I make sure tell you, you know. That's what I say, the thing that's on record, you know. You can't go do your research, you know. That's what I deal with. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. That's on record. You can't go do your research. No farmer joke shit not dead about it. That's what I say. So if you see a bun, a brother when name, what them call some and some, and you see a run up and claim say, well then you're a rush killer, but make you know exactly who is Charlamagne. Me not hear you say nothing good my brother. Me not hear you say nothing from morning. Me not hear you run out by your IG. Me not hear you say nothing. Of them type of people that you claim say you're born. Eh? But you're going to tell Charlamagne like nobody respect Charlamagne. I want to your clown. You can't come talk up the 5-star general name and with Charlamagne. What's wrong with you? Eh? You lick your head or use a big piece of nut. Which one of them? Look like you're a nut without bolt. Oh, eh? Me don't know how you're going to do that. You call 5-star general name and call Charlamagne. Charlamagne now on a street credibility. Me don't know what I chat about. Eh? The Charlamagne is a boy, you know. What interview, you know, JLO, you know. And as the woman get up, you know, and gone through the door, you know, the boy a sniff on the seat, you know. That's what I say. And I talk about how he must sniff out even fart out of JLO ass, you know. So them type of boy, them may try to show you, say, you know, who no respect him and a run and boy up on social media, a kin out him teeth like a prostitute, I go like him find something funny and I run up your mouth like you thought no good. I tell you already in Vegas, say you and Charlamagne, you know, not the same set of people, you know, my brother. You know, funny people, you know, because remember, you know, this, you know, people, Vegas, you know, was friends, you know, with the twin, you know. You see what I say, twins have twins, you know. You see me? My 2 cents, you know. He was friends with that brother there and foot a hype because them claim say a three of them a put fire upon certain thing and have highlight it upon social media, you know. As soon as, you know, him in Vegas, you know, running a some chichi argument, you know, and the twin, you know, here's what I say from my 2 friends, I make him know, you know, Vegas, your name shouldn't in them shit there, you know, because remember your name call upon them thing there already, you know, so you shouldn't even mix up yourself in that, you know. Where him do? Him run come out on IG and try burn out the man. True, the man I tell him the truth. He might go like a lie the man did I tell him. A real thing, the two not tell him, you know. And them run and look cloud. I try burn out the man on social media after them dust. Admit it, so well then, the 3 of them are burn fire certain way upon social media. And see Footer hype not take up him look at stupidness where him go on with to go against Killer. And you know see him there, they are burn out Footer hype too. I say oh Footer hype, well want go back in the alliance and them now want him back in there. You know what I mean? A few months ago you never had a roll them way there. Everything me hear you talk about Footer hype, me hear you talk about your brother. Why man are your brother no more? Eh? A Charlamagne and them are your brother now. A Charlamagne jag strap you a sniff now, boy. Hmm? Eh? I saw no dash on no owner ever go around and a sniff on some people jog strap. Wanna feel like say them people that have no high ratings or no high profile or them high in a society more than no make money make you go on with all type of illusion and all type of fuckery. Not care much money Charlamagne make from him behavior wrong my brother, and Charlamagne a shish kebab just like you Mr. Vegas. You know, see the footstep you follow. As the woman get up from the blood clot interview and go through the door, he must sniff on the blood clot seat. Where a sniffer, what kind of behavior is that? So you can call up them boy the name to the 5-star general bounty killer. Mr. Vegas, I think you have to stop call killer name, you know, soon and very soon, you know, no gimmicks business in a day and night, you know. Because right now you call the man name and I call some boy name, you know, virgin. When they're credible to Jamaican, you know. Jamaican not do them shit there, you know, my brother. You hear me, I tell you? Or the general, you know, the 10-star one. I represent. What?